Hello and welcome back to Project Liberty Light. In the last episode, we introduced the celebration mode, giving our living flag the ability to launch patriotic fireworks animations and play music at the press of a button. Today we're adding another layer of polish to the project by giving it visual status indicators and a user-adjustable volume control using a few LEDs and a potentiometer. These upgrades make the project easier to use and give it a much more finished, professional feel. One thing I've really wanted throughout this build series is a way to quickly tell what state the system is in without having to guess. So in this project, we're adding 3 dedicated status LEDs. The green LED lets us know the system has power. The blue LED tells us the flag is operating in its normal display mode. And the red LED lights whenever celebration mode is active. It's a simple addition, but it gives immediate feedback about what the system is doing. Let's see them in action. When the system powers up, the power LED or green LED immediately turns on. During normal operation, the flag indicator, the blue LED, remains illuminated. Now if I press the celebration button, the black button, the flag indicator or the blue LED turns off. The celebration indicator or the red LED lights up and celebration mode begins. When celebration mode ends, or if I press the flag button, the blue button, to return to normal operation, the indicators automatically switch back. Everything stays synchronized with the software. The other big upgrade in Part 8 is adding a real volume control. Until now, the audio level had to be adjusted inside the software. Now we've added a simple potentiometer that lets us control the volume just by turning a knob. This makes it much easier to adapt the project for different environments. Whether indoors or outdoors, you'll have the ability to adjust the volume at just the right audio level of your preference for any situation. The hardware additions for this project are actually pretty straightforward, even though my system looks like a rat's nest at this point. I probably should have used an 830-point breadboard or 2D for this project, but in the beginning I didn't expect that Liberty Light would eventually gather so many components. So it goes, I guess, when creating a new project. I'll do the best that I can to show you the additions. We're adding 3 LEDs with current limiting resistors and a 10 kilo-ohm potentiometer connected to one of the Arduino's analog input pins. On the software side, we update the indicator LEDs based on the current operating mode and continuously read the potentiometer to adjust the DF Player Pro's volume. As before throughout this series, I won't be going through the code in this video. If you'd like to build this project yourself, the complete wiring diagrams, source code, detailed explanations, and troubleshooting guide are all available in the written tutorial linked below. With these additions, Project Liberty Light is becoming much more than just an LED display. It's evolving into a polished, interactive project that's easier to operate and more enjoyable to demonstrate. These finishing touches may seem small, but together they make the entire project feel more complete. In the next and final installment of the Project Liberty Light series, we'll bring everything together. We'll permanently assemble the project, organize the wiring, move everything into its final enclosure, and showcase the completed living flag in all its patriotic glory. It's been an incredible journey building this project together, and I can't wait to share the finished result with all of you. I hope you've enjoyed this video and have been able to follow along in creating your own Liberty Light project. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the final chapter of Project Liberty Light. If you are following along with the build, I'd love to hear how your project is coming together and hope that you'd share your progress. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in Part 9. Remember to keep at it and stay motivated.